Alright guys, how y'all? Man, it has been a horrible week. The weather has been bad. Lots of rain. I bet we've seen 2 to 3 inches just this week. We had a lot of rain last week. It's been wet. Can't get some of the places we normally hunt. So we thought it'd be fun to do the Techno Hunt today. We're here at the outhouse in Waco. Y'all come down and check it out. Man, it's a lot of fun. We're gonna get to shoot a little bit of everything all in one place and never have to leave. Keeps the score, it tallies up the score at the end of the deal. They give you a printout. So I can't wait to see who's gonna get to do all the smack talking at the end. So y'all stay, check it out.
All right guys, it's fixing to turn on. We got about a minute and a half till it's ready. And Wes is gonna go first.
We think.
And we're gonna see what kind of animals they got. We've never done this. I've done a 3D course. I have never done this before. Wes has actually shot this one before, but they changed it up since the last time he came. It's like 2 or 3 years ago when he shot it. But anyway, weather's horrible. Can't get outside. This is what's up for today. So we'll see what this is all about. Here we go. We're about to start right now.
Brad's first shot. Did my knock light up?
Bullseye!
Bam! Bam! Brad's up again. They don't give you a whole lot of time between these shots.
Oh, you see it. What is it?
I don't know, you better shoot.
I don't know where the head or nothing is.
I don't see it. In the guts?
In the guts? That wasn't no damn guts. That wasn't no guts at all.
Get ready. Great job.
Rump? That's
Got him in the flank!
He hit him in the butt.
Get ready.
How about that?
Great.
Good shot. That's awesome. Smoked him.
What am I down right now, do you know?
Not much.
Nice.
Brad's got to run down and get our arrows this time. I ain't got enough air to do it again.
Next up.
Oh my God.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
This sucker flies. It goes a little fast. Get an old heart pumping. About to rip the string off this. They never shot one of them before.
Buffalo?
Yeah, they never shot a buffalo. It's the first one.
Battles, baby.
Yeah, that's how I do it.
It's another third.
Oh, God. What was that? I didn't even see. I can't see
Rabbit.
that far.
There was a
What
rabbit.
was it?
You want my goggles?
Dude, I need something for this. I need a light on my release. 134, 150.
Maybe that should be our next.
Is that it?
Twenty-two animals. Damn, dude, that's a lot of messes on your side.
So,
Oh, but that was fun.
these two right here. I was fixing the camera. I didn't get to shoot. These two right here, they're legit. They're zeros. What does he have? He has one.
I don't think I missed it all.
Oh yeah, the other one I did miss was, I don't even know what it was. I couldn't even see it. Remember?
That's something I'd talk to my local optometrist about.
Grasshopper. That's what I missed.
You shouldn't shoot. There wasn't no grasshopper in the rocks. You shouldn't shoot unless you identify your target.
I don't care.
That's not teaching our hunters much.
Kids don't watch.
What you do on that Techno Hunt, you use your own arrow. And we even brought Luminox with us, made it a little bit neater looking. So you can see your arrow a little bit better. And they also give you this little dome that goes on the end of your tip that you shoot that screen with. It's pretty cool. All the shots are 20 yards. The target is actually 20 yards away. All the shots are actually 20 yards, but some of the animals look like they're way in the distance. I mean, we shot anything from a grasshopper to a chipmunk to a buffalo to a brown bear, black bear, grizzly bear.
Yeah.
I think a praying mantis was on one of them.
Yeah.
It's cool. They're not easy to spot either. Some of them aren't easy to spot, and that makes it a little bit more challenging and harder to see. I mean, there was I guess it's a carp in the water. I could barely see it at all.
Well, we did this, it lasted about 25 minutes, 30 minutes. You know?
Probably 30 minutes.
Yeah, I think it was about 25 or 30 minutes. We shot at 22 animals apiece. Awesome time, especially in the rain, not being able to get outside in the sunshine and get something done. We got 5 or 6 days left of turkey hunting, 5 days. I think we got 5 days of turkey hunting left. And man, I'm dying to get outside.
All right, guys, we had a great time. I'm gonna tell you, this Techno Hunt, if you ain't never done one, go to your local bow shop and check it out. If you're in Waco, come down here to the outhouse. Alan and Pat will hook you up. Had a wonderful time. Weather's horrible. This right here is a good thing to get inside and get out of the weather and still have a good time.
We had a little competition while we were doing this, and I got beat 134 to 150. I'm not sure how they scored exactly, but 134 to 150. I did lose today. Man, some of that stuff's hard to see, and some good shots you think you make, it scores them different than the way that I would score them. But anyways, it was a lot of fun. You ought to come check it out, especially if you're in Central Texas. It's not far from you. It's right in the center of Waco, and people were real nice here and took care of us and got us going, and it was a great time.
So come on down, check it out. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that like button. Check us out on Instagram also, Texas Bread 002. We appreciate it. Don't forget to come check out Alan and Pat down there at the outhouse in Waco, Texas.